Hey guys, welcome to the Pan Indian recipes. Today we are going to make the healthiest and the yummiest brown rice biryani. Let's get started. 1 medium sized onion, 1 tomato, roughly 9 to 10 green chillies, and a handful of mint and coriander leaves. Into the mixie jar now goes 1 cinnamon stick, 7 to 8 cloves, and 1 full roughly chopped onions and 1 roughly chopped tomato, as I've already shown you, and some ginger garlic paste, maybe a spoon and a half would be good, and 2 spoons of mirchi powder, and 1 full spoon of coriander powder, and salt as per the taste. With a little bit of water, blend it into a fine paste. And this is how our masala should look. I have taken 2 ladles of oil into the pan, and now goes this masala into it. Let it cook for some time until the color changes. It has to cook on a medium flame only, and when it starts spluttering, you can put on the lid. Let's cook the rice meanwhile. I'm adding some water into it for the rice to boil. I've taken this full glass of basmati brown rice for half kg chicken. Adding some salt into it and 1 star anise, a small cinnamon stick, and 3 to 4 cloves, and 1 biryani leaf, and just a pinch of ginger garlic paste, and few drops of oil into the same. Let it come to a boil. I think the masala is ready. Now we can add the washed chicken into it. Mix it well with the masala. And then cover it. Let it cook for another 15 minutes on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, this is how the chicken looks like. Let's give it a mix. And then close the lid again. Let it cook for another 10 minutes. At this point, we can increase the flame and let all the masala evaporate. Keep mixing it until it gets dried up completely. Meanwhile, let's check the rice. Yeah, it's done. Green chillies into it and a handful of chopped mint and coriander leaves into it. Mix it well. Add a pinch of garam masala to it, not too much. This is how the chicken should look. Now turn off the stove and add a spoon of lime juice to it. Now add the strained rice to it. Now goes in some mint and coriander leaves. And the colored milk, this is optional. And loads of ghee. Switch on the stove, put it in the sim, completely low flame it has to be in. Close the lid and let it cook for another 20 minutes in low flame. And then the biryani is done. It's been 10 minutes since I switched it off. And now this is how it looks like. Wow. Look at this. Oh, chicken piece is very well cooked. Now it's ready to serve.